All right, so looking at some of these questions. So we're doing operations with functions, and we did some of these previously, like early this week or late last week on Delta Math, and we were pretty good at them. These are going to be a little bit more difficult, but we'll start with number 3. It's one of those simpler ones. So we have g of 12, and we're going to plug that into, notice this is lowercase g, so that's going to plug in right there. So if I have 4x minus 10, I'm going to plug 12 in instead of x. And so then I have 4 times 12, which is 48, minus 10, which makes 38. And that's the answer that you type into Schoology and submit. Okay, so mostly I'm concerned with just the front page here. If you got 10 or so done today, that would be a great start. So then numbers 1 and 2 and 4 are going to work just like 3. Okay, so then number 5 is a little bit different. Or actually, let's do 6. 5 and 6 are similar, but 6 is a little bit more difficult. So let's do 6. If I look at 6, I have f of x. Okay, so that's this piece right there. So I'm going to write 3x squared minus 9x plus 15. And then it's subtract h of x. Well, h of x is x plus 6. So I'm going to put that in parentheses because all of that is subtracted. So I'm going to distribute the negative now and rewrite all of this. So 3x squared minus 9x plus 15 minus x minus 6. Then combine like terms. So I have 3x squared that won't combine with anything. Negative 9x minus 1 more makes negative 10x. And then 15 minus 6 is plus 9. So when you go to type 3x squared into Schoology, you're going to go 3x, and then you're going to hit Command and the period key and let go. And it's going to give you an exponent, so you're going to be able to type that too. Then you're going to type Command P again and let go, and it's going to get you out of that, and you'll be able to type the rest, the minus 10x and the plus 9 kind of thing. Okay? If you can't figure out how to do the exponent, that's okay. Don't worry about it that much. Just type the 3x squared in there however you can, and I'll figure it out. Okay? So looking here at the next, 8, 9, 10, let's look at 8. Let's look at 8, and let's look at 11, and then I'll be done. Okay, so number 8, you're going to take the function capital F of x. So you have 7 times whatever x is plus 11. And x in this case is another expression, a plus 1, which looks really scary, but it's not that bad. You're actually just going to distribute the 7 times the a and times the 1. So we have 7a plus 7, and then the plus 11 is still there. So combine like terms. You have 7a plus 18, and you're done. All right, last one, number 11. They have f of g of 0. So what you have here is 2 different calculations. Essentially, you have f of, and then inside that, g of 0. So we're going to do this part, and then the answer that we get, we're going to plug into f, and then be done. Okay, so take 0, take g. Okay, g of x is this 4x minus 10. So you're going to say 4 times x minus 10, and x is 0. So good news is that's easy math. 4 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 10, we get negative 10. So now I'm going to take negative 10, and I'm going to plug it into function f. Okay, so function f was this trinomial, 3 terms, 3x squared. Let's do it in a different color. 3x squared minus 9x plus 15. Okay, and so instead of my x, I'm going to put negative 10. So negative 10 in parentheses squared means negative 10 times negative 10. So that's 100 times 3. And negative 9 times negative 10 is plus 90 plus 15. 3 times 100 is 300. So I have 300 plus 90 plus 15. If you calculate that, all of that equals 405.